Hi guys, it's Marky. How's it going? I picked up the new Hot Wheels 5-pack, the Fast and Furious. This one right here. It has the Dodge Charger in it, the Supra, the Mustang, the Chevelle, and the Aston Martin DB5. I'm gonna open it up right now, and let's open up all the other ones I have. I have this one right here, and I have this one right here that has the Evolution in it, and I have this one over here, which is a different combination with the Escort. Awesome. Let's get to it. Let's open up the brand new. This one you can find in stores right now. All I did was cut the top here, and featured in the back they have the Supra on this one. So let's see. The Dodge Charger, always an awesome car. And to see the one from the movie, so awesome. Look at that. 70 Dodge Charger. This one is copyright 2010 and then 2020 again. Made in Indonesia, like they do the 5-packs. Really fat tires in the back. This one does have the 5 spokes. And look, the small tires in front. All chromed out in the back. No license plate on it. And chromed out on the front end there. Front and back just chromed out. Chromed out interior as well, and no mirrors on the side. We do have the little RT logo right there. The parking lights are painted in there, and it looks really nice. Let's see what else we have. We got the Supra. Oh man, the Supra looks so nice in orange. Beautiful. Copyright 2012 Toyota Supra. It's got the exhaust back here, 2 pipes on the left side. Kind of plain on the back, all orange. We have the giant wing. Nice tempo work on the side. Beautiful. It looks really nice. Look at that. Really cool lights in the front. We have the grille painted over in orange in the middle, and then we have the black showing. No mirrors on the side of the Supra. All the windows are rolled up, and we do have like the dark tinted windows on this one. And again, the 5 spokes, very cool. Not the star one, but the different 5 spoke there. Pretty cool. All right, let's see what else do we have in the 5-pack. We got the Mustang. So this one's a repeat because this one came out in one of the other 5-packs that I have there. From before, they only changed up the wheels. So we can check that out later when we open that one. But here it is in the metallic green. Different wheels this time, this different version of wheels. Made in Indonesia. Very nice, very nice. And then we have the Chevelle. Now this one is also a repeat. They also changed the wheels on this one. They went with the gray 5 spokes. I think last time they had like black double spokes with a chrome ring around the edge there. And you can see there's no mirrors on the side, and it's kind of plain with a flat color. We do have the handles painted over, and the little parking lights are there. So that's pretty cool. Chrome grille in the front and a chrome grille in the back. And then the DB5. Very similar color, but this one's a little glossy. It's a metallic glossy color, glossy finish on it. It's got the DB5 right there. We do have the brake lights, and on the front end we have the little headlights, little round headlights. We do have the Aston Martin badge right there. And we do have the lace wheels in chrome. This one, they only had one. They only had this one. So again, always exciting to find a new 5-pack. Very happy to get this one. So let me see, just let's keep him right there. And let's open up this one right here. This one has all 5 cars in the back featured on the back picture, and the names. Pretty cool. Fast and Furious. This one I had opened on the side. This is another cool one. Okay, here's the Mustang. Now we can see the difference. Here's a new one with double spokes. And the old one has the single spokes. And it comes on the very top. And then we have the Monte Carlo. It's a 1970 Monte Carlo. Spiderweb wheels with the gray ring around the edge. You can see the multi-colors on this one. Nice silver there, kind of like a gray over here. And then we have this cream color. The Monte Carlo. Oh man, look at this. The GT3 RS. Very, very nice. It's a 911, Porsche 911. Very cool. We do have the plastic lenses in the front, Porsche badge. No mirrors on the side. We do have the plastic wing back here. And a plastic base. Copyright 1998 and 2019. Again, this one's made in Indonesia. Not like the blue cards that come made in Malaysia. The 5-packs come from Indonesia. And check this out. What a beauty. Oh, man. Very, very nice. Made in Indonesia. Nissan Skyline GTR R34. See the exhaust heading all the way to the back right there? Beautiful. Man. So nice. By now, this pattern is really familiar. This tempo right here, everybody knows it. It's pretty famous by now, right? But it always looks good. Nice to have it out of the package for a little bit here. And then the last one in the pack is the Camaro. Nice blue color with the white stripes. No mirrors on the sides, no brake lights. Grille in the front in the chrome color. We do have the Camaro badge right there, or name. The badge, the Chevy badge right there. And it's a 69 Camaro, copyright 2007. Another beautiful car. And then we have this one right here. Let's open up this one. Fast and Furious. And featured on the back, the Lancer Evolution. Really nice picture of the Lancer right there. And this one I opened up here on the top. And we start with the Impala in red. This one also was reissued in one of the other, or issued in another 5-pack with a different combo of cars, but I think it's the same exact one. It looks like it has the same wheels as the other one. So I think it's like the same one. We have the grille chrome in the front and the red on the back with the grill, chrome bumper. Looks really nice on the side there. The windows are rolled down. We do have the little corner window there. Dark interior. Steering wheel right there on the left. Looks like a couple of speakers back here. It's a nice glossy red. I love the color. Really shiny with the light. Give him one last spin. Beautiful car. And that one comes on the top of the 5-pack. Second car is the GT, the Ford GT40. Big fat tires in the back. Look at that. What a beautiful blue color. Nice dark deep blue with the racing stripes in white. We do have a plastic grille back here with what looks like the exhaust up there on top or right in the middle. We have a grille showing there. Pop-up lights, or these are the plastic lights, I think, right? And looks like we have some mirrors right there. A couple of mirrors. Dark interior. This one is a right side drive. And there's the Ford name right there on the stripe on the bottom. Very, very nice, man. This is a really nice Ford GT. Man, this would be fun to drive, right? Don't want to own one, but man, just to drive it for the weekend, right? Wouldn't that be all right? Pretty cool. Take him out to Cocoa Beach. I live in Florida, so I can drive him to Cocoa Beach. And maybe visit my Dream of Genie Drive, which does exist out there if you've never driven by there. I Dream of Jeannie Drive. Yeah, that's a street in Cocoa. Isn't this nice? This is a nice Torino 72 Ford Grand Torino Sport with the I call these like bottle spokes, but they look like a flower as well. But to me, they remind me like little bottles. Very nice, the Torino. This one was also reissued again. They changed the wheels on the next 5-pack that they put it in. They put the 5 spokes in there with just the single spokes. But it has a white stripe, chrome interior, and chrome back and chrome front grille. The lights all chromed out. Nice scooping on the top there. What a nice green, metallic green color. Beautiful. It's really nice. I love it. And then we have the Evolution, very popular. Nice. Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution, or the Mitsubishi Evo. I'm sorry, not Lancer. The Evo. How do they show it back here? Oh yeah, they do say Lancer on it. Lancer Evolution. My bad. I was right the first time. Cool, this one has the 5 spokes in chrome. Big wing back here. All die cast. Look at the details. Very cool. We do have the windshield wipers on there and little tiny mirrors on the side. All green in the front. I wish they had given us a little more detail when it comes to colors. Really cool graphics on the side. Another very famous car, right? Very nice. And then we have the last one in this pack. Ooh, so nice, man. Look at that. The Nissan 350Z. There's the back end. It's got something on there. Little garbage. Nice die-cast wing back here. Check out the exhaust. All chrome pipes. Nice brake lights there. Very cool. There's the design on the side. Really, really nice tampo work. We got the Z right there. And part of it comes up right there. Sweet black hood. There's the badge, Nissan badge. The lights are painted in there. A nice spoiler in front, all die cast. This comes down all the way down here. The metal is just all the way down, so that's pretty cool. You know, we want to have as much metal as we can, so they're nice and heavy and they ride really nice on the track when they have more weight to them. Makes them a little faster on the track. Really nice blacked out spokes with the chrome ring around the edge. Nice chrome stripe, very, very cool. All right, so let's put that pack over there. We got one more, look at this. Another one, another Fast and Furious. This one features the Ford Escort there, the RS 1600, and then on the back, they have all the cars from the 5-pack right there, with the Escort right there in the middle. That looks pretty cool. All right, let's get them open. Well, let's put out these cars. Yeah, this one looks exactly like the one that came out in the other one. Look at that. Twins. It looks like we got twins. Yeah, same one. But this is a really nice 5-pack. Actually, all of these are really cool. I love all of Fast and Furious 5-packs. I hope they keep making more combos, you know? And here's the Torino. Now, if we look at the other Torino, they changed the wheels on it. You can see that. The wheels are different, but it's the same paint color, same interior. Basically the same base. The markings are different on the base though. You can see that right there. Totally different way of being marked, and they changed the middle here. Look at that. You know, I hadn't noticed that before. I didn't remember. Probably did, just didn't remember. And then we have the chromed front end, chrome bumper and grille in the back there. Pretty nice. Let's put that one right there. And what do we have? There we go. Next one. If I can get him out of there. Look at that. The Grand Sport. Not the favorite Corvette of many, but the Corvette Grand Sport Roadster. in just the very clean color. Not a car that I like that much, but of course I like, you know, some of the other Corvettes are so much nicer, but this one, I bet you it would be fun to drive for just a spin around the block. I think it would be nice to drive it, even though it looks kind of different and funky, not like the favorite Corvettes, but I bet you it's a fun ride in real life. I bet you it is. Oh man, the one you all been waiting for. Look at this. Nice. So nice. Made in Indonesia, the 70 Ford Escort RS 1600. It's got the Hot Wheels logo right there. There's the exhaust. All plain blue in the back, a nice chrome bumper. We do have the nice white stripes on the sides. The handles are painted in. And look at that, we have the lights there. A little bit of the chrome bumper right there and there. And the lights painted in blue. The grill is painted in blue. We do have the Ford name there. It's kind of hard to see, but there it is. Very, very cool, man. I love this one. Now, I keep coming across the bigger scale one and passing it up. I really got to buy that one. I am collecting the bigger scale, but I started kind of late. I kept passing them up, and now I started collecting them. So I do have a couple, and I got to find this one again. I kept passing him up, and I want to get this one in the little bigger scale. I don't know if it's a 132nd. Correct me if you know what the scale is on the next size up that Jada has been putting out. I think it's Jada that puts them out. And this one looks like a repeat as well, except they changed the wheels. You can see they pretty much look similar. This one's a little lighter, actually, I think. Lighter paint color, very, very tiny difference, but you can tell. And you can see the wheels are different. Yeah, the new one comes with the gray wheels. This is the brand new one that came out. Let's see if they changed the base. Looks like, I think it's the same. Yeah, copyright 1998. This one's stamped R51, the new one, and the old one is M34. Let's put the older one there and the new one right there. Hey guys, give me a like on this video. I really appreciate that. It always helps the channel so much. You may have noticed that I was experimenting with very short videos that are only 1 or 2 minutes long. You can't tell the analytics. It takes a while, so it could be anywhere between 2 weeks to maybe even 4 weeks before you know if it's better or not for the channel. And I'll see what happens. I did make 9 videos right before this one in order, 9 videos, and they're all very short. If you want to look through them really quickly, they're really short. They're only a minute long. If you want to just see 1 or 2, a minute long, minute and a few seconds long. And just to see if it helps the channel, because I have had a lot less viewers than before watching the longer form videos. But they like the shorter videos, it seems like. So I'm just experimenting. Let's see what happens. Let me know what you prefer. Do you like the longer videos like this one? 18, 20 minutes, even longer. I like making, I personally love 30-minute videos. But I know some people don't have the attention span. I'm very patient, so I do. But I understand. So let me know what you prefer. Do you like the long videos or the shorter ones? All right, guys, I hope you did enjoy this one. I love the new 5-pack, and I hope if you're interested in one, that you can find it soon. They're out there, guys. All right, I'll see you in the next video.